Okay, so today I have the Mina Eyebrow Henna Dark Brown. It's up to 30 applications, no ammonia, no lead, spot coloring with tattoo effects. Now that I showed you how the box looks like, I'm going to show you what comes inside the box. So you're going to get 3 sachets, you're going to get a measuring cup, you're going to get a spatula. Oh, here it is. There's a spatula. You are going to get a leftover bottle. And it's nice because it comes with the label. And I have some in there because I've done this before. And then it comes with the pamphlet. The last thing it comes with is a dropper. I use my own Morphe brush or Morphe eyebrow brush because it does not come with an applicator. And then of course water. Water so I can use it. But before I use it for this, I'm gonna drink some. So I already did my eyebrows off camera because I messed up a couple of times. My eyebrows are actually way thicker than this, but whatever. I don't care. They'll grow back. We're gonna start off by grabbing some water, taking in. So that's about 2.5 millimeters. Little bottle. I already had some in here. Like I said earlier, I already did this before. I'm gonna do a neater job. Put it on my spatula. That's way too much. And last time I made the mistake of mixing it in with this side. Mix it with this side because for some reason it gets stuck right in the spoon. Mix it until it becomes into a paste. So okay, now it's back on my face. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna have my mirror right here. And then we are going to record as we go. Obviously, right? Let's go in. I'm gonna take off this little... Sorry if it has any hairs. Actually, it does. That's... Oh, that's a pet peeve of mine. I'm gonna go in lightly. And then just follow... I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eyebrow. As if like when you're doing your eyebrows for makeup. Honestly, that's a good way to put it. I think I might go a little bit darker on the tail. Alright, let's do the second eyebrow. Ryan Little. Okay, so I think this is okay. 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 minutes. See you in a little bit. Timer went off. That was 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna grab some cotton ball micellar water. This does not look bad. Thanks for watching. Bye.